Hello friends, follow the steps to fix these error codes. First of all, try to install the update from Microsoft Update Catalog. Launch a browser. Type Microsoft Update Catalog. Press enter. Click on this link, Microsoft Update Catalog. Type the Windows update number KB5121003. Press enter. Here are the updates. Find the update compatible with your system. You can check system type to make sure that everything may go correctly. Click on start. Go to settings. Click on system. Click on about. Here is system type. Check your system type, such as here is 64-bit operating system. Check yours and check the version. Close the settings app and look for the file here 25H2 x64 based systems. This file is compatible with my system. Check yours and click on the respective download button. Click on the link that includes the KB5121003. Let the download complete. The security update is having 4.8 GB, so it may take some time depending on your internet connection speed. Once downloaded, click on this standalone file. On my computer it is already installed. On your computer, follow the on-screen instructions to install the update. The issue should no longer occur. If the issue still occurs, then install the repair version of Windows 11 25H2. Then check for updates. For this, click on Start, go to Settings, click on System, scroll down, click on Recovery. For fixed problems using Windows Update, click on Reinstall Now and click on OK on this pop-up. Once you click on OK, repair version of Windows 11 25H2 will be started downloading automatically. After the repair version is downloaded, you will see here Restart Now button. Click on this button and wait for the installation to complete. The next method you can try is reset Windows Update components. For this, click on Search, type CMD. For command prompt, select Run as Administrator. Now go to the video description where you will find the commands to reset Windows Update components. These are the commands you will find there. Run these commands one line at one time. Copy the first line, paste into the command prompt, hit enter. Copy the second line, paste into the command prompt, press enter. In the same way, run all these commands. After running the commands, close the command prompt and restart your computer. Check if the issue is fixed. After restarting, try to install the update. If the issue still occurs, then modify services. Click on Search, type Services, click on Services, go down to bottom and find Windows Update. Right click on this service, select Properties, change the startup type to Automatic, click on Apply and click on Start if Start is highlighted. Click on OK. Then right click on App Readiness, select Properties, change the startup type to Automatic, click on Apply, click on Start if the service is stopped, click on OK. Do the same with Background Intelligent Transfer service. Right click on it, select Properties, change the startup type to Automatic, click on Apply and click on Start. Click on OK. In the end, go to Cryptographic Services. This one, right click on this service, select Properties, make sure that the startup type is Automatic. If it is not Automatic, change it to Automatic and click on Apply. If service status is stopped, click on Start. Click on OK. Then close the services window and check for Windows Update. Try to install the update. The error should no longer appear. If the issue still persists, it means there is something wrong with the system files. So you will have to run SFC and DISM tools. Click on search, type CMD, click on run as administrator for command prompt. Again go to the video description. This time you will have to run these commands taking from video description. Copy the system files checker command first, paste into the command prompt and hit enter. After it is 100% completed, copy the DISM Restorehealth command, paste into the command prompt and press enter. Once completed, close the command prompt and restart your computer. Then try to install the update. If any methods don't work, then perform in place upgrade. To perform in place upgrade, launch a browser, type Windows 11 download in the address bar, press enter, click on this link, download Windows 11, scroll down and go to this section which says download Windows 11 disk image ISO for x64 devices. Click on this drop down and select this option for x64 devices. If your device is ARM64 based, then click on this link and follow the steps accordingly. For x64 devices, click on confirm. Now you will have to select the product language. If you are not knowing the product language of your system, then you can go to start, settings, time and language, language and region. This is the product language. Check the language from here and select the same language in this drop down. Click on confirm. Click on 64-bit download. Let the download complete. Once completed, open the File Explorer and go to Downloads folder where the ISO is downloaded. Right click on the file and select Mount. On the Open File Security warning pop-up, click on Open. Right click on setup.exe and select Open. On this window, uncheck this option and click on Next. For applicable notices and license terms, click on Accept. On Ready to Install window, click on Install. Your computer will restart a couple of times and Windows 11 will be installed, including the August 2026 security update. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.